Welcome back to Skibbity Tech. Today, I'm showing you the latest updated method to install KSign on iOS and use it to sign and install IPA files directly from your iPhone or iPad. And yes, I've personally been testing this method on my iPad mini 7 running iOS 26.6, and I'm going to show you exactly how everything works. Okay, let's get started. First of all, download the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Safari, and then open Skibbity Tech website. I will add the website link in the description. Then hit on Get Started. Then hit Allow to download the profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now open Setting, and then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install Downloaded Profile in your iPhone or iPad. Now you will see the Skibbity Tech app on your iPhone or iPad home screen. Now simply open the Skibbity Tech app. Then hit on the KSign option at bottom. Now you will see different KSign links available there. You can choose any one, but always try first with the top first one. Simply hit on arrow down button in front of the first KSign link, and then hit Install to install KSign in your iPhone or iPad. If one link don't work, then you can try the other links as well to install KSign. Once KSign is installed in your iPhone or iPad, now open Setting, and then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management, and then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and Restart to let KSign app work in your iPhone or iPad. After restart, now you will see that the KSign app will start working properly without any problem. Now simply hit on the Library option, then hit on Import, and then hit on Import from the files, and then simply select the IPA file you want to install in your iPhone or iPad, and then hit Open. Once the IPA file is imported, now hit on the imported IPA file, and then hit on Sign and Install option, and then hit on Start Signing. Then simply hit Install to install your IPA file in your iPhone or iPad. And that's basically it. If you are looking for the latest KSign installation method for iPhone and iPad with no PC and no jailbreak, hopefully this tutorial helped you out. I'm currently testing this setup on my iPad mini 7 running iOS 26.6, and I'll continue testing it on newer iOS and iPadOS versions, including the iOS 27 beta. So if this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to Skibbity Tech, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next iOS update. And if you're having problems installing an IPA, leave your iOS version and the exact error you're getting in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video.